Hello everyone! Oh, my hat is crooked. This is Bo from Bo's Slow English, and you are watching, I'm not sure which video, but it's a Hawaii vlog series. And we are approaching our next hotel on the island of Kauai. And I can't wait to show you. I love this neighborhood so far. Before I show you, please like this video to show your support, and please click subscribe so we can be friends. We are checking in to our hotel. Aloha! Oh, look at all the Audis that we can drive around.
Aloha! Welcome to the One Hotel. How may I assist you? And first name?
Bo. B-O.
Thank you, sir. And just the two of you?
Yes.
So there are some Audi cars over here in the parking lot.
Are we celebrating anything?
Our anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are we able to rent those Audis?
Yes, those are available for rent. The valet and the front desk will tell you how everything works. Okay,
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Pardon my reach. Thank you so much. Head on down, stay to the right. Valet's got you from here. Welcome to the One and enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Okay, you guys, I have to tell you a secret. Anytime we are asked if there is a special occasion, we always say that it's our anniversary because they always give some sort of little treat. So, if we are able to rent those Audis, was there a need for us to rent this rental car? This is what happened when we were in Napa. We rented a car and we ended up using the hotel's car the whole time. We're going to get out of the car. I have a big coconut in my lap from the last episode when we pulled over on the side of the road to get some fresh coconut. And we are about to check in. We just dropped our car off with the valet. Here we are. Do you think I will ever get to the point where these hotels will pay me to film here? Let's make that a goal for me. Isn't this a beautiful entrance? It's super clean here. We're heading up to the reception area to check in. Oh, it smells really nice. Is this where we're checking in? This is our check-in area. Hi! Is it okay that I film a little?
That's totally fine.
I'm teaching English. Yeah! So we are here at the check-in. Sorry, just dropped.
Would you like
the
me to
coconut.
take that from you?
It's all done. Yeah, thank you.
I can definitely do that.
I've never been to a hotel reception where you check in this little like bungalow.
The welcome beverages at check-in. This consists of a passion orange guava juice with a side shot of coconut rum.
Yeah, sounds great.
I guess so. We're gonna have to have some rum.
Of course. And while I make those drinks for you, if you could just get your IDs ready for me and the credit card you'd like to place on
Okay.
file as well.
Is the credit card just for incidentals?
Yes, that's
Okay. Let's watch him make these beverages.
No, yeah, we're good.
Can you tell me again? You're getting filmed.
So yes, the orange juice is the passion orange and guava juice. And then the clear substance is our Kaloa coconut rum, which is island made as well too. And you can purchase this at any of our local convenience stores as well.
Thank you. Very cool. This is right after I said, I don't drink alcohol much. Wow, I didn't even look behind me. This hotel is huge.
You go for the drinks. Now, if you haven't tasted these flavors just yet, I would suggest just taking a sip of both, just so that you can see what the flavors are entailed to, and then you can either decide to shoot it or mix it.
Okay. Right now?
So the shots first, and then the other one's the chaser, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, shot
Or you can
first.
give a little bit of a mixed drink.
I'm going to try the mix first. I have no idea why I just sniffed that. That's strong. It's really good though. The
Yes.
coconut flavor. Wow. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Cheers.
Our honeymoon, she was crying. She's like, I'm not single, I'm married to this fat guy. She's crying all the time. And I was like, no.
It's amazing how the juice washes down the alcohol really fast.
I would like to say that the juice is a little bit dangerous because if it goes down smooth, anything alcoholic that goes down smooth is really dangerous.
Yeah, that's kind of the story with soju. You know, the Korean
Yes.
alcohol. Do you like it?
I just had a sip of it.
That is a great job, Wilma. Tell me, what's your secret?
The secret to a happy marriage is giving each other personal space.
I think it's space, patience.
Yeah.
She does a lot of vlogging too, so I kind of do my own thing while she does her thing.
All right. So we have our bellman taking us on a tour. We have a souvenir shop. It's a really nice shop. Well, that's a cute top. I might go shopping. Ooh, nice.
This is the cafe.
Wow.
And I just started this job. I'm a month into this job. Oh, really?
We are heading through the reception area. They upgraded our room to an oceanfront because we told them that it is our anniversary. Hello, aloha.
This restaurant is like the dinner only restaurant, and they do sushi and it's sushi and bar.
Cool.
Yeah, perfect.
Are you part Asian?
No.
You kind of look like it, right?
Really? Yeah. That's cool. I like hearing that. If you see my son, you would definitely think so as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what's your wife's ethnicity?
Italian,
Okay.
but also like we always have this joke that there's probably more to her story too, because she
Probably,
looks also very like you wouldn't guess she was Italian, you know.
Interesting.
And then all I know about my story is my grandfather was Cherokee,
Oh,
but then there's all this other mystery about like my background. So
Maybe that's where.
that's kind of Asian.
Yeah. 'Cause my son has like really low eyes and blonde hair, but me and my lady don't have blonde hair.
Sounds so cute.
Yeah, I'll show you a photo
Yeah.
of the tour. This is the spas back here. I don't know if you want to
Oh.
go in. Do you want to take a sip?
We're gonna go on Wednesday, so yeah, we're good. Yeah, thank you.
Spa there. Down here is the one kitchen. Down here they
Love
do
it.
breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then also these stairs also lead to where the gym is.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's just basically down the stairs to the other end of the hallway.
This view is crazy.
I know, right?
I want to go on one of those boats out there. Whoa. Wow. Is this a private hotel beach?
So this beach is public,
Okay.
but it is on the grounds of the hotel. But there are people who come from different, like there's another hotel down the road. People come to come to the beach. There are some areas though that are down here that are more. It's not private technically, but not a lot of people know about them. When you get down there, you kind of explore a little bit. So down there you have the beach. Then there's also a bigger pool down there for everyone. And then over here you have the adult-only pool.
Oh,
And then,
cool.
it's an infinity pool, and then behind it there's a bar.
Nice. And then the little bedding there, or the beds, is that first come first serve, or do you have to reserve?
Good question. I love getting new questions
Yeah,
that I don't know the answer to. But I think though, I'm pretty sure there is a reservation process
Yeah,
involved.
no problem. We'll figure it out.
But since you're guests, I think you get high priority.
The water is more beautiful than I imagined.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought it was going to be ugly like LA.
Really? Yeah, you really thought that?
LA is gross.
Yeah, it's definitely way warmer than LA water is. As
Yeah.
Well, so.
Oh, good.
Awesome.
Oh, is that a little garden?
Yeah, it's an herb garden.
Nice. And this is Hanalei Bay?
This is Hanalei Bay.
Okay.
And so there's the town Hanalei. It's kind of hidden by these trees, but it's basically behind where these trees are kind of blocking it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a small town, and it was used to be not much going on, sleepy town, and then slowly it's turned into a pretty big like tourist hub.
Very cool.
So yeah, if you do end up taking a trip off the property, I definitely highly recommend Hanalei Bay or just Hanalei
For
town.
sure.
Yeah.
Wow. This upgraded room is crazy. Let me show you. It's like a studio apartment here. Maybe even bigger than a studio. Hi. So in these closets, we can hang up our clothes. Hang up is a great phrasal verb. We will probably set our suitcase on this bench. And here is the bed. This looks like a king size bed. And on here is a personalized note. It says, Aloha, Kim Ohana. Here are your requested pillows. Have an amazing stay. So when I booked this hotel, I requested for foam pillows because the feathered pillows that normally come standard hurt my neck. So I need additional support. Here we have a drone, which we need to figure out where to fly this drone. This bag is my toiletry bag. I love that they have a filtered water station so we can refill our water bottles. Here are the room keys. This hotel chain, they are known to be sustainable, which means that all of this wood that you see here is recycled amongst other materials that you see throughout the hotel. And now the view, oh my gosh. Here's a couch to lounge around on. And here is the view. Isn't this amazing? This is the adult-only pool. And the restaurant is over here. That is Hanalei Bay. And some sun chairs, or actually they're called chaises, which is a French word for chair. A huge TV. And I'll show you the bathroom. This is the toilet. And double sinks. That's key to a hotel. Because I hate when there's a lack of counter space. There's plenty of space below. And look at this bathtub. It's a marble bathtub overlooking the bay. Oh, and this is also the shower. So the shower and bathtub are in the same little room. And that is the tour of our hotel room. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have hat hair. Ugh. Hat hair means that my hat squished my hair and now it looks really messy. But I'm going to unpack and then I will film later. And if you're interested in learning English further with me and sounding like a native English speaker, please check out my links below to my ebooks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next Hawaii vlog. Bye!